Everybody, so let us continue with what to talk about the dynamic route. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we are going to copy this, Control C, Control V. I'm gonna say, for example, services. Okay, and so what we call about the dynamic routes. For example, with my URL slash services. Okay, I'm gonna add something like, I'm gonna say, for example, I'm gonna put the quality braces. I'm gonna say, for example, name. Okay, I'm gonna put another slash. Okay, I'm gonna open code braces and I'm gonna put id, and after it I'm gonna pass two arguments in my function because I have the name. Okay, you have to put I have the name and I have also the id. So I'm gonna say, for example, this, I'm gonna put $sign. Okay, and I'm gonna say id. Okay, so here I can say, for example, my name is okay, so I'm gonna put this and I'm gonna say my name is name. Okay, so I'm gonna get what I have in my arguments. Okay, and I'm gonna say also, and my id is, okay, I'm gonna put this, my id is id. Okay, and this is what you call about dynamic routes. Okay, so that means I'm gonna pass my URL in my browser. Okay, but in the place of name, I'm gonna put the variable. I'm gonna put my name. Okay, this is like a variable, and we have two variables. We have ID and name. Okay, so it is going to be passed like arguments in our function, so we can print it. Okay, so this is very important. So you're gonna see in the next session in our project what is the importance of these dynamic routes. Okay, so let us copy it, and so we're gonna pass it in after the frame.test. We're gonna pass it there. No, let us take this. Yes, we're gonna say, let us copy. Okay, so we're gonna pass it after this, and we're gonna say service. Okay, so we're gonna say, for example, if I tap answer. Okay, so you're gonna see that I have by default what I have put in my root file. My name is name and my id is name. That means what we have put here like name, okay, is passed like an argument here, and we have printed it. Okay, printed it. And if you want to do better, I'm gonna say, for example, my name is nkele and my id, for example, is 10. Okay, and I'm gonna tap enter. So you're gonna see that I have my name is nkele and my id is 10. Okay, reason why you have this here. Okay, and otherwise, if you try to add, for example, another thing, nothing will happen. You're gonna see this message, sorry, the page you're looking for couldn't be found. Okay, so we have only two arguments. Okay, so we're gonna say, for example, my name is nkele and my id is 10. Okay, you can do several things. You can say, for example, my name is, you can say, for example, my name is Mr. Juno. Okay, my name is Mr. Juno. Okay, and my name is Mr. Juno. Okay, I live in Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, and I live in Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, so you can say, for example, this. Let us tap answer. So you're gonna see that my name is Mr. Juno. I live in Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, so I can also say my name is Mr. Nkele. Okay, yes, my name is Mr. Nkele. My name is, I can say, Mr. Nkele. I live Democratic Republic of Congo, and my ID is 10. Okay, you can also change your ID. My name is Mr. Nkele. Okay, Mr. Nkele. Okay, Mr. Nkele. Okay, I'm gonna say 32. Okay, so I live in Democratic Republic of Congo, and my ID, for example, is 1. And if I tap answer, you're gonna see that I have, my name is Mr. Nkele. I live in Democratic Republic of Congo and my age is 1. Okay, this is what we call dynamic rows. You can change, you can put something in your variables that you have put in your URL. Okay, so I think that it is very easy. I think that you have understood what means the rows concept, okay, in Laravel, in the Laravel. So we're going to use it in our Laravel project, okay. And so you can see that we have the about page, we have the services page, okay. So that means we can continue after, okay. We can create different page with the defaults. We can have what we call about the index page and the about page and the services page, okay. So let us go back to our Laravel project, okay. If we want to create our page, we have to create it inside of our views folder, okay. Because if you see in the default, we have referred to the view, okay, to this view function, which refers us to the views folder, okay. So make sure you have created your pages, inside of your views folder, okay. And we're gonna create a folder inside of our views folder, okay. We're gonna name it pages, okay, pages. This is a folder, and we're gonna create 2 files, okay, 3 files. We have the home page, the about page, and the services page inside of our pages folder, which is included in our views folder. Let us create a new file. We're gonna call it about a home page, okay. Let us say index.blade.php, okay. So you have to note this. If you want to create PHP, note this, if you want to create a Laravel file, you have to put index.blade.php. First of all, you're gonna put the name of your file, and after you're gonna put this extension, okay. This is for Laravel extension, so you're gonna tap enter. So we're gonna create a new one. I'm gonna say about.blade, okay, .blade.php, okay. You're gonna tap enter. So after we're gonna say after the about, we're gonna say services, okay, services.blade, okay, .blade.php, okay. So we're gonna tap enter, okay. So with it, I can say, for example, with the index page. So let us go back to our browser, okay. So let us take, for example, a bootstrap navbar, okay. Let us say bootstrap, okay, and bootstrap navbar, okay. So we're gonna take bootstrap navigation bar with this, okay, W3 score, okay. Let us click on it, and so we're gonna come here. So we're gonna try, okay, try it yourself, and we're gonna copy all these cards, okay. We're gonna copy it, so we're gonna pass it in our index.blade.php. So let us pass it there, okay. So we're gonna do, if we want to view this page, okay, we can also come with the about page, okay, and we're gonna say, for example, okay, and we're gonna say, let us pass also in the about page, in the services page, okay. So in the home page, for example, we're gonna say home, okay, and website name. So we're gonna say here about navbar example, the navigation bar. So we're gonna say, for example, this is the home page, okay. We're gonna say, for example, this is the home, okay, home page, and with the about page, we're gonna say, for example, this is the about page, okay. This is the about page, okay. And I'm gonna say also with the services, okay. I'm gonna say this is the services page, okay. Yes, and let us go back to our web.route, and if we want to display this, okay, notice we're gonna, let us comment this, okay. Let us comment this, return this. So if we want to view it, we're gonna use the same logic, okay, like here, okay. Let us copy this, we're gonna pass this here, and so we're gonna call this view function, okay, which refers us to the views folder, okay. And instead of a views folder, we have put our files inside of the pages folder. So how to get these pages? So you have to come here, you're gonna say view, and you're gonna put pages, okay, pages, because the pages is included in our views folder, okay. Otherwise, with our welcome.blade.php was directly inside of our views folder, okay. But this files is included in the pages folder, and the pages folder is included in the views folder. So you're gonna say pages, you're gonna say index, okay. And we're gonna do the same thing, okay. Let us copy this, let us pass it here. So we're gonna say pages, we're gonna say about, okay. We're gonna do the same thing, we're gonna pass this here, we're gonna say services, okay, services. And let us go back and in our browser, okay. And by default, you're gonna see that we have the home page. Yes, we have our navigation bar here, basic navbar example, okay. We're gonna see that we have, this is the home page. And if I put slash, if I put about, if I tap enter, you're gonna see that you have, this is the about page, okay. And if you make services, okay, if you write services, so we're gonna see that we have the services pages, okay. So I think that you are understanding, you are understanding words about root concept in Laravel, okay. So in the next session, we're gonna continue, we're gonna talk about controllers, okay. So how we can view these pages, okay, using controllers, okay. So until now, we are using only the root file, which is the web.php. So we're gonna add a controllers, okay, which is going to permit us to view these different pages. So we're gonna meet you the next session. Goodbye.